In February 2016, public sector banks started coming out with financial results for the December quarter, and the numbers were enough to send the stock markets into a tizzy. Their non-performing assets or NPA had soared dramatically to an extent that provisioning had overwhelmed operating earnings. Their net income had plunged deeply into the red. According to the 2017-18 economic survey, investors dumped the stocks of PSU, bringing their prices to such a low level that at one point HDFC was valued as much as 24 public sector banks put together. A twin balance sheet is a scenario where banks are under severe stress and the corporates are over-leveraged to the extent that they cannot repay their loans. During a boom period, the economic growth is robust. Corporates are encouraged to invest and expand aggressively. The Economic Survey of 2017 and 18 put it simply, a twin balance sheet problem follows a standard path. Their companies expand during a boom, leaving them with obligations that they cannot repay. So they default on their debts, leaving bank balance sheets impaired as well. Something similar happened during the mid-2000s. The Indian economy was booming, where GDP annual growth hovered around 9 to 10%. With corporate profitability at its highest, India Inc. launched massive projects worth lakhs of crores and were riding on huge amounts of debt, mostly financed by banks. By 2007 and 8, the investment to GDP ratio reached almost 38%, and the amount of non-food bank credit doubled from 2004 and 5 to 2008 and 9. However, following the global financial crisis, growth and revenue projections fell, and finance cost went up due to higher interest rates, resulting in stress on the books of both corporates and banks. The RBI had to step in to control the damage to the economy. But the country's finances are in good condition now. Public sector banks recorded an 81% year-on-year rise in net profit in the last quarter on higher net interest incomes and reduction in provisions for bad loans. A business standard analysis showed If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
सब अच्छी दिख रही हैं यार, कौन सी खरीदूं?
ये तो वही बात हुई, 4000 शेयर्स लिस्टेड है, कौन सा लूं?
वो तो सबसे आसान है।
तुझे 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर है 4000 स्टॉक्स की रिसर्च, टेक्निकल टूल्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है, investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.